how to remove bookmarks in PDF. So hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can remove bookmark from PDF. So first of all, you need to open a new browser tab and search for PDF delete bookmark. And after searching PDF delete bookmark, as you can see there are multiple web links here. You just have to go with the AVE PDF. As you can see here, remove bookmarks, embed files and thumbnails. So you just have to simply click on here and you just have to click on choose file and upload your PDF here. And as you can see, you can remove bookmarks, embedded files, thumbnails from here. Like content to remove, you can just select the bookmarks and you can just click on simply remove, and your selected content has been removed. That means your bookmark has been removed from your PDF file. So that's how you can remove your bookmark from any PDF file. So that's it for this video. See you on the next one.